YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because we're going to be drawing something very special. This is Inky, my helpful and funny assistant.
What is that weird squeaking sound?
Well, that's exactly what we're going to be drawing. We're going to be drawing guinea pigs.
Cuties.
Are you ready to get started, Inky?
Let's draw those balls of fluff.
Then let's go. The first thing that you're going to draw in order to draw your guinea pig is a little squiggle and then a line that goes all the way around. Another little squiggle is here that keeps going. And then there's another little squiggle here. Keeps going and stops here. Then you do a line that connects like that to this one.
That looks like a jelly bean.
Then the thing you're going to do after that
is eat the jelly bean?
No, Inky. This is draw a nose shape. It can be as big as you want. That's why you draw this big space here. Then connect it. The thing you're going to do after that is draw a huge circle and a bigger circle around it. Then inside of that circle, you're going to draw a little circle and another little circle and one last circle. Then you're going to fill in this one.
Fun fact, a guinea pig has 5 types of hair that makes up their coat.
And you're going to draw an ear. Do this shape. And then do these 2 lines inside. Do a little shape that juts out here. And then 2 tiny lines. Then you do this line. And another circle there. The next thing you're going to do is draw the mouth. You're going to draw a teardrop shape here. Then you're going to draw another smaller teardrop shape inside of that. A rectangle and a line through the middle.
If you make it smile, it could be a guinea pig.
Then a little curved line here. Then you can start on the feet. You're going to do a line like that, that, and that. And the same thing on the other side. But maybe a bit slanted if you want. Then you draw more of those. You're almost done with your guinea pig. The next thing they are going to do is draw whatever design you want. I'm gonna make mine look like my guinea pig, Charlie, and I'm going to do this design. You can do the same one if you want, but you can make it whatever you want. Even hearts or stars or something like that.
You would think guinea pigs come from Guinea, right? The country in Africa?
I think so.
They don't. They come from South America. Guinea pig knowledge. Also, they're not related to pigs at all. English is confusing.
Then you're done with your drawing. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. Now you're done with your guinea pig. If anybody has any suggestions for what I should draw next, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Charlie, do you think it looks like you? Well, anyway, thank you. Bye.
And keep on drawing. Aww.